But in the market, one could be worth just a few cents while the other could command hundreds of dollars. That's the power of condition and certification. Another fascinating factor is something called luster. When a coin leaves the mint, it has a unique shine that reflects light in a certain way. Over time, circulation dulls that shine. But if you find a 1967 dime with strong, original mint luster still intact, you might be holding a much more valuable piece than you think. Let's take it even further. Eye appeal. This is something collectors care deeply about. Two coins can have the same grade, but one might look cleaner, brighter, and more attractive. That coin will almost always sell for more. So even the smallest visual difference can impact value in a big way. And then there are die varieties, tiny differences created during the minting process. These can include slight doubling in the letters, shifts in design elements, or unusual textures. While not all are valuable, some rare varieties can attract serious collector attention and increase a coin's worth significantly. Think about how many 1967 dimes are still out there, sitting in jars, drawers, piggy banks, or even lost between couch cushions. Most people never check them closely. Most people never imagine they could be worth more than face value. But a few people do, and those are the ones who sometimes make incredible discoveries. This is what makes coin collecting feel like a treasure hunt. There's no map, no guaranteed path, just the thrill of possibility. Every coin you examine could be the one that stands out, the one that tells a different story, the one that surprises you. So before you spend your next dime, pause for a second. Look at it carefully, because hidden within that small piece of metal could be history, rarity, and maybe even a value that turns an ordinary moment into an extraordinary discovery. Imagine holding that 1967 dime in your hand, feeling its weight, examining every ridge, every tiny detail. You start to wonder, could this simple coin, produced in the billions, be one of the rare survivors in pristine condition? The thought alone sends shivers down a collector's spine. Collectors often describe this search as a blend of patience, luck, and intuition. Some spend years sifting through rolls of coins, hunting for just one uncirculated or error-filled gem. And when they find it, the payoff can be thrilling, not just financially but emotionally. Even the smallest imperfection or the complete lack of one can dramatically alter a dime's story. Tiny scratches, hairline marks, or fading details might keep a coin in the common category. But a coin untouched by time? That's when legends are made. For investors,